Hello guys, welcome back to APK Designer. Here is Leo. I'm back with another video in which I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp official version. So you can see here I have it in dark mode. Everything is dark theme. You can enable dark, you can switch to dark and light mode at any time. Guys, so if you want to know how to do that, just follow the link in the video description. Download the dark mode of WhatsApp, the beta version. Follow the video to the end to know how to do that, to enable it. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to head to the link in the download description and click to download the better version of WhatsApp Dark. So here we are, just hit the download button. Now it's downloading, as you can see. Now you need to go back to your normal WhatsApp here. You can see this is totally normal, green color and everything. Just want to send a message. Okay, now I just have to, first thing you need to do is to back up your chat history. Go here, back up my chat history. So now after backing up your chat history, all you need to do now is to uninstall this WhatsApp. So I'm gonna do it. Uninstall. You say now that is done. Just want to, I don't have to install my downloaded beta version. Now, so now that the installation is done, just enter your numbers and set everything. Just allow everything and wait. You have this message, WhatsApp won't run without Google Play service. Just don't worry and just click OK. I'm waiting for our backups of the previous WhatsApp. Okay, now we have our backup. Just need to restore. Next. Okay, here we have our chat. Go to the settings. Here you can see here we don't have dark mode yet. So to enable the dark mode, we have to force close WhatsApp. app info. force stop. Then click. Now go back to the settings one more time, and here we have dim, we have light and dark, we have enable dark. So guys, here we have it, WhatsApp in dark mode. Everything dark. Oh, thank you guys, hope that this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. See you next time for